guys. See bait fish? See bait fish? Look, thousands and thousands and thousands. So fish is gonna be about. So, but the grass here is low. Look, yeah. As soon as it touches the water, you gotta start winding in. You can't let it sink, Rasta. It's gonna get hitched in the grass. See? Don't let it sink. Eh? What do you mean as you throw it sink? It's grass you're in, bro. Pull out the damn thing. Wind up right away as you get it loose. Stop letting it sink. You know, sink right away. You let it sink. Fought for see I go out the feet this morning. They're behind you. Look at that damn. Oh shit, look at that jack. See jack there? That's a nice jack, boy. One other one, yes, look here. Big blood cleat shad or snapper right. That's a seamless up on the left. I'll go down and walk the beach. You licky look what I miss, you know? You never see that? Huh? You missed it. Damn it. Oh, damn. That's it. Not a dang thing here. I send out all crystal minnows. I send out all top waters, bottom waters. Nothing. Rasta. Not a damn thing down here, bro. All I'm catching is mosquito bites on my face. And practice to change off, Rasa, because if that lure's not giving you results and you keep on casting in the same spot over and over again, all you're gonna do is scare the fish off. Come on, let's go. Fish on. Ooh, fish on. Got you. Got you. Fish on, baby. Sure fishing. I don't know what he was trying to do this morning. I knew you was out here this morning. Mm-hmm. And they hold him, barely hold him. You gotta be careful with that hook, you know. Hold him rasta, don't make him jump back over there. Hold your rod for me. Oh shit, I just got hooked by a hook. Huh? I just got hooked by a hook here. Pull it out, Russ. Hold on. Let me secure this fish. Hold it. Actually, go ahead. I got the fish. Take the hook out of my shirt. Give me the rod. Give me my rod. Alright, get that hook out that fucking thing. I don't know how that got in there. Alright, push it on in there. Alright, good deal. Cool, thanks.
Mr. Barra, man.
Oh, God. Eh? No, there's only going to be one in the territory. All right, let me show you how barrows operate. Barrows operate like a dog. They'll piss all around here. That's their turf. That's how barrows are. So you have to really study the environment. I just cast sideways casts. They hang out in the grass, bro. That's what they do. They camel to the grass. They change colors, and they'll change it back to brown, silver, blue, whatever color you could think of. Barrows will change, and they quick as hell. What? We got, that's a baby barrow, bro. Bro, I'm catching barrow bigger than you, bro. Like, you see these little shallow open spots, Rasta? Yeah. Like, I side cast, basically. What I did was I just side cast like this. Fish on. Yeah. There you go, snapper. See?
More food. More food.
What am I telling you, bro?
Result, bro.
It's just side casting and doing the right, guys. So this is what's up. This is a schoolmaster snapper, or dog tooth snapper as they would call it in Jamaica. But be careful when removing these hooks, guys. That's how I got hooked last time in my hand. The hook went right through my finger. I got the string in my bag. Let me get them off. You gotta be careful when getting these hooks out. So best bet is if you can't use your hand, use the pliers. Really? Alright, because you say so, bro. Normally I don't do this. But.
Food, man.
Alright. Mikey got fish for breakfast this morning. Reach in here, the string's in there. Just push down, push your hands down. If you get stuck by a hook, don't worry about it. All right.
Like the red onions in the cities, huh?
Yeah. Holy shit. See that side cast? Side cast is stupid.
This one.
No, my side cast. When I side
Side
cast.
cast. Oh, I
It's
like
casting when I cast lures out.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Got him? Here. Come on, open up. Here. Give me
it. Good, for sure.
lip grip tool. Let's go. There, guys. So that's how we do it. Jamaican shore fishing, Jamaican lure fishing, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads, guys. Make sure you smash that thumbs up each time you get an awesome hookup. That's what's up. Don't let that sink. Don't let it sink.
Grow on it. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't stop.
Just pull it out the grass and don't let it get stuck because you let it sink. That's a sinking lure. Everybody think it's just cast. You hitch into grass. You hitch into grass. That's why. So you have different types of lures. It's not just one type of lure, bro. This is a fast sinking but shallow diving. This dives right down into the water. As soon as it touches the water, it dives down and swims. See how this dives down? So side cast, that's the side cast. So versus my overhead cast. All right, bro, let's walk the beach because there's probably another barra on the beach. Let's go look for them because the food's here. They're hanging out, and this is what they do. This is what barra does. I highly doubt any more is going to be over here, but let's try it. That blue lure seems to be working more than my clear. Yeah, the blue one's working more than the clear. So it looked like the blue is a color for this month, guys. So we're going to stick to the blue and kill the silver. All right, let's go. Change that spoon lure. You have a lure like this. You have a shallow, crystal minnow. All right, we're hooking fish, and that's the greatest part about it, shore fishing. And yo, make sure you check out YouTube channel, Jamaican Shore Fishing on YouTube. Gotcha. Yeah, you know, sure. We sure are fishing, bro. We sure are something, but we going home with something. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna walk it down. I do this every weekend, you know.
Every weekend.
Yeah, Rasta's my good friend, you know.
Mm.
Even on shampoo, my good friend, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, I'm always here, man. Always. On the weekend, you probably see me on Saturdays or Sundays.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. We got a 1 barra. Mike, you can't get for taste a barra today. Alright, we're definitely on the hunt this morning, guys. Action this morning. A little bit of action. So I had to switch up cameras. So yeah, we did complete our mission and catch that barracuda for Mikey. Try a barracuda. That was the whole goal and the mission for him to get a barracuda to taste today. So we came out, so on juvie again. We came out with the intentions of just picking up a barracuda so Mikey could give one, taste what a barracuda fish tastes like. He's never eaten it before. And this was the whole goal of us coming out this morning, guys. We came out this morning with the intentions of catching a barracuda, and so said, so done. Mission complete. But we're still trying to pick up one more because, you know, now this is just a taste test for Mikey anyways. Hold up. I wonder if Rasta remembered how to clean up a barra. Nothing yet. I always hit a barra on this side, you know. On this side, right here, about right around here. Oh shit, there's a nice sized one down here, Pari. Look at this. Look at this barra. Look at him, look at him, look at him, look at him. You see him? You see him? See him on that board there, so. On that board. Look on that board. No water you looking at, brother? Put on the fish. See him over here, sir, Rasta. See him here, sir. Nice size barra, guys. Look at that. We're just cruising. One nice size one over here, you know. It look like, you know, pick up, like saying belly full. Yeah, nice size barra, about 2-3 pounds. Not picking up at all. Yeah, that one got away from us, Ross. That one got away from us. Yeah. What that? Yeah, man, the mullet, them, the place huge, man. Yo, you want to see one we catch on a Great River the other day, see, man? Well, at least 3 pounds each. It's huge ass mullet I've ever seen in a while. This bad boy is not picking up. He was right here laying on the ground. When I cast the lure, he gilly up and come over here, so I'm gonna start messing with him and end up left. Maybe this is not the color lure that he wants. Maybe this lure is too big. Hmm? What, that lionfish? I catch lionfish, but I don't have my spear with me. Look at the size of these mullets. Look at these. See them there? You don't see them? Yo, but a few dogs I will links here too, you know. Some general I links too, you know. Yeah, man, I feel me things same way. You know, rubs. I feel we link same, one link yes. Cause yes, I'm carry most of my guests can drive that car. Indian, alright? A lure a smaller rascal. And he will more likely grab a smaller lure versus a bigger lure. Yeah, he wants small fish to eat. So what I do, once he starts giving me that issue, I downsize on him. And put out a fingerling that won't sink as fast, and that won't touch the bottom, but stay right in the mid-flight and swim like a mud fish. Look at what kind of jackfish I hook up with it. You see it? So, you have to know how to manage your lures and when you cast them out. It's an art, you know, bro. It's not just take out line and cast. You gotta know what you're doing.
I'll be honest with you. Since we said I'm start with this, I love it.
Oh yeah, this is the best.
Calm mind.
Yeah, this is the best. I love this. This is what I feel the most at relaxed with when I'm out here. I get out and I try to get in as much as I can. Fish on? Fish on? Oh, Rasta! Set your hook and take out the fish out of the water, bro. Rasta ain't said this hook.
Now go back on that.
He ain't grabbing that hook again. Rasta, you made that fish get away from you. That was fisherman error. And you know why that happened? You didn't set your hook. You're messing with the fish in the water and trying to lift up the fish and make the fish drop back in the water again. The fish came up out the water and you put back the fish down in the water. But watch your rod. The rod cannot go back down to the water. The rod come up to the dock and land, brother. It's a whole different fishing when you're up on level with fishing above them on dock, you know. Rasta, if that was a bigger fish, either one of them will pull you in the water or two of them will broke your rod. And that's what's going to happen. Yeah. I see him one way they run around for a little while. I hit with their hunt. That one will catch him, he not even hook him good. That me I show you. When me hook this one and in jaw corner, I hook him, you know. You not seen that fucker again. That fucker gone so fast, man. You know how fast they are? Alright, Rasta, come in. Time to go in. I'm gonna head in now and get some stuff done today. I need to do my laundry.